I will need to confirm your identity before we proceed. Can I ask you a few questions? Okay. What's your mother's name?
Sharon.
What's your husband's name?
Daniel.
May I have your right hand? We have now registered in our system, and please do not remove the wristband until you exit from the health camp. You will need to undergo various measurements and tests at 7 places. And finally, you will get a health report card. And please do not skip any workstation as you have to go in sequence, one after the other. Thank you. Please move to the next station.
Namaste. May I see your wristband? Please be seated. At this desk, I will check your blood pressure, finger length and muscle strength. Please be seated upright and relax comfortably. Relax. Please keep your left arm on the table. I will first measure your blood pressure. Systolic pressure 99,
99,
diastolic 63,
63,
pulse rate 88.
88. Okay.
I will now measure the finger lengths of your index and ring finger. Please place your palm on the desk facing upwards. Please adjust your ring a little far upwards so that it is easy for me to take the measurements. Ring finger 6.6.
6.6.
Yes. Index finger 6.5.
6.5.
We are in the final part of this test. I will now take your hand grip strength measurement. Let me first demonstrate how to use the hand grip instrument. You will have to hold the instrument and squeeze the handle as strongly as you can for about 3 seconds. Please notice how I perform the activity. Are you comfortable in holding the instrument?
Yes.
Should I readjust it for you?
No.
You place your arm on the armrest and bend it to 90 degrees. Hold the instrument and squeeze it as hard as you can for about 3 seconds. Apply as much force as you can. Press now. Stronger, stronger. Right hand 20.
20.
Please follow the same procedure with the left hand too. Stronger, stronger. Left hand 25.
25. Okay.
We have now completed all the activities at this desk. You can move to the next desk. Namaste. May I see your wristband? At this workstation, I will measure your sitting and standing height. I will also measure your waist and hip circumference. Please sit upright and look forward. Sitting height 120.
120.
Can you please stand up so that I can take a standing height measurement? Stand straight and look forward. Please don't tilt your head. Standing height 154.
154. Okay.
Now I am going to measure your waist and hip circumference. Please stand straight with your feet parallel and arms folded across your chest. Waist 94.
94.
Hips 106.
106.
106.
Okay.
We have taken all the measurements at this desk. You can proceed to the next desk.
Namaste. Can I have your wristband? Here I am going to measure your body fat composition. But before we proceed, I will have to ask you two simple questions. Do you have a pacemaker?
No.
Okay. Are you currently pregnant?
Yes.
Okay. It may not be advisable to conduct all the activities at this desk owing to your present health condition. So please move to the next station.
Namaste. May I see your wristband? Please have a seat.
Please have your seat and relax. Here we are going to measure your lung capacity. This will tell us how effective your lungs were. We are concerned about your health and thus I need to ask you a question before we proceed. Do you have any lung problems?
No.
Okay. This is a spirometry device and we are going to use this device to perform the test. We have an instructional video demonstrating how to perform this test. Please have it.
You shall now breathe. Now take a maximum deep breath now.
Okay, have you understood the video?
Yes.
Let me demonstrate this to you again. This test has to be performed in 3 steps. In the first step, you have to take a deep breath and hold it for some time. I'm going to clip your nose with this and ask you to put this device in your mouth. In the second step, when I tell you, you have to exhale all the air from your lungs into the device. Okay? And in the third step, when I tell you, you have to inhale all the air back into your lungs. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Please hold this. Now take a deep breath. Put this in your mouth. Now blow. Blow, 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 blow. 3, 2, 1. Now inhale. Okay, thank you. Keep this machine here. How are you feeling?
Feeling good.
Okay. Congratulations, it's a very good test. Let us do this test one more time with the same instructions as before. Please hold this in your hand. Now take a deep breath. Put the machine in your mouth and exhale. Blow, 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 blow. 3, 2, 1. Now inhale. Okay, thank you. Congratulations, it's a very good test. Please proceed to the next desk. Thank you.
Namaste. May I see your wristband? Please have your seat and relax. I am going to collect a sample of your blood and clipping of your toenail. Please clench your hand. pause for a few seconds or until the bleeding stops.
How long ago did you eat last?
2 hours.
2 hours. Okay.
Start.
Now I am going to take a clipping of your toenail. Please sit comfortably and keep one foot on the stool. We have finished collecting samples of your blood and nail. Thank you for your patience and your participation. You can proceed to the next test for your health report card.
Namaste. This is the last desk of the health camp. I will be giving you detailed report on your measurements taken today and some advice to follow. Please show me your wristband. Your blood pressure, body fat level looks normal. Some simple easy instructions on healthy diet and practices are printed at the back side of the health report card, which you could follow to lead a healthy life. Thank you so much for your time and participation. Would you like to say anything about the camp?
No.
Thank you. You can go now.